Hello Leo, spirit animal for you today. A donkey. Service, humility, suffering, peace, gentleness, kind. So the donkey represents someone who is likely someone who's on the front lines of a situation, whether you've been of service to others. So whatever that may be, where you're on, could be a soldier, could be a fireman, could be a caterer, could be anything like that, a nurse. Whatever your profession, your personality is one that people consider a kind soul who finds joy in helping others. So it is your service is to serve, your purpose is to serve.